So in this video, I will show you how to check your age in TikTok. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, after you open up your app, go and open your TikTok app like this one. So now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. Now go to this menu at the top right side. Now go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, all you have to do now tap on this account. Now under this account, now go to this account information. So as you can see now, under this account information now, there is no an option for you to check your age on TikTok or to see your age on TikTok. So the last option that I will show you is now just tap on this back arrow again, scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says report a problem. So now allow it to finish loading. So after it finish loading like this one, all you have to now scroll to down and tap on this where it says, as you can see now, this option where it says chat with us. Finish loading. So all you have to do now, type in this message that I will give you on the screen. As you can see now, I said please, I want to see the age I use when opening my TikTok account. So tap on this send button. So now they will give you an option. As you can see now, here it says how can I change my age. So tap on this first option. So by tapping on this option, as you can see now, it gives you some information. Just ignore all this information. Tap on this where it says report a problem, this one. So as you can see now it will ask you now to type in some information. As you can see here, it says topic. As you can see, it says select an option. You can tap on this change account information, select your country or select your gender. So you can just select this one or you can just leave it. It's an option. So now you can just go ahead now and type in your email in this session. After you type in your email, as you can see now, type in this session, type in your username, and it is optional. You can just leave this username. So in this session now, all you have to do now, type in the same information. I want to see the age I use when opening my TikTok account. So as you can see now, after you type in this message, scroll to down. As you can see now, make sure you check on these two options. As you can see now, check on them. After you finish checking on them, now tap on this submit button. So now by tapping on this submit button, now you can wait for TikTok to respond to you within just like 2 to 3 minutes or just like 1 hour maximum. They will respond to you through your email that you gave them in this session. As you can see now, the email that you type in this session, they will send you information about your request. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.